We are surrounded by constant noise. Songs are streamed by the millions. Media moves at the speed of a swipe. But in the rush to produce, we have lost the essence of reverential expression. Modern worship culture is highly efficient. It is loud. It is immediate. But efficiency is often confused with excellence. Very few people step back to ask, is this biblical? Welcome to the Worship and Sound Workshop with Pastor Jay. This is a deliberate space designed to strip away the performance and examine the source and motives beneath the sound. Through scriptural clarity, original musical expression by Zamar Kairos, and the brutal discipline of creative refinement, we are setting a new standard for those who lead or just want to know more. No shortcuts, just craftsmanship and knowledge, because our worship of the Creator deserves more than an assumption. It deserves intention. Worship demands that we think deeply, create thoughtfully, and lead with absolute conviction. The workshop doors are open. If you're willing to wrestle with the deeper questions, subscribe, and let's begin. Welcome to the workshop.